Imagine being on the verge of a major breakthrough in your DIY project, only to be halted by a seemingly insurmountable obstacle. But what if you had the power to anticipate and overcome these challenges with ease? For many of us, the thrill of creating and innovating is often accompanied by the frustration of encountering unexpected problems. However, as I've recently discovered, the key to unlocking a smoother and more efficient workflow lies in the art of being prepared. My latest adventure in flying quadcopters has been a perfect example of this. As I've been trying to master new tricks, I've also been learning the hard way, by crashing them and subsequently repairing them. Just last weekend, I found myself facing a particularly vexing issue, a wiring problem that had not only gotten caught, but had also ripped a pad off of the controller PCB. While it wasn't a catastrophic failure, it did require some creative problem-solving to reroute the wires and prevent it from happening again. But here's where it gets interesting. I had just watched a video where someone else was building a new quad and had elegantly solved the exact same routing problem. It was pure luck that I had stumbled upon this video, as I was only watching it out of curiosity about the frame in question. Yet, because I was paying attention, the solution to my problem became crystal clear, making the repair a breeze. This experience is not an isolated incident. I've lost count of the number of times I've stumbled upon a solution to a problem I was about to encounter, simply by having read or seen something that provided the answer. It's an incredible feeling, and it's one of the reasons I've always been an avid reader of Hackaday. You never know when one hacker's clever trick is going to be the exact solution you need to overcome a challenge that's just around the corner. And this is the part most people miss: the value of reading up on the hacks and experiences of others, not just the show-stopping gonzo hacks, but also the small, ingenious solutions that can make all the difference in your own projects. By doing so, you're essentially investing in a form of insurance against the unexpected dilemmas that inevitably arise. It's free, it's cheap, and it's incredibly powerful. So, the next time you're facing a seemingly insurmountable obstacle, remember that the solution might be just a read away. But what do you think? Do you have a favorite hack or solution that's helped you overcome a major challenge? Share your stories and let's discuss. Perhaps we can even spark a controversy or two about the best ways to approach DIY problem solving. After all, as the saying goes, necessity is the mother of invention. But sometimes it's the preparation and the knowledge that come from reading about the experiences of others that can make all the difference. So keep reading, keep watching, and who knows, you might just stumble upon the solution to your next big problem.